Orchids, stylish plants suitable for the bathroom. We'll admit, orchids aren't as easy to tend to like the other plants mentioned here. With some time and practice, though, you'll find they're actually much hardier than their reputation suggests. The moth orchid variety is a great starter for the virgin orchid grower. Pro tip: use ice cubes instead of water to hydrate your orchids. Doing so helps to prevent root rot and overwatering, common issues that plague orchid owners. The bathroom is the perfect spot to place this flower as it thrives in humid environments. It'll also add an elegant touch to your sink, reminiscent of a posh hotel bathroom. If your showers aren't frequently occupied, demist your orchids to maintain the humidity levels. Available in practically any color imaginable, there is a kaleidoscope of options to choose from. If you can't decide on a color, try one with variegated petals, which mesh the colors together in a unique pattern.